Okay, so I've got one more little tip for you on removing baseboard and trim on a painting job like this. And you may run into this problem too, just like I am on this job. Here, let me aim the camera down so we can kind of take a look at what's going on here. Sometimes what happens is on a previous paint job, maybe it got a little bit sloppy, didn't remove the trim, didn't do a good job taping it off at all, and you get a real heavy paint line where the trim or the baseboard meets the wall, and the trim kind of gets stuck to the wall when you're trying to remove it. And sometimes what can happen is that will, you know, if you're not careful, you might break the piece you're trying to remove, or it's stuck so well to the wall when you remove it, it rips a big piece of paint off the wall, maybe even damages the drywall behind it. So in order to prevent that, what you'll need to do if you start to find that is take a knife. Utility knife usually works a little bit better, they're a little bit narrower and sharper, but this is what I have handy. And just kind of score a line along where the trim meets the wall, kind of separate that paint line. And we'll go like that. And then when you pull this off, it won't be stuck anymore. It'll come off a lot easier. It won't damage the wall. You won't damage the trim piece, especially if you're trying to save it and reuse it like I'm going to do here. So that's it. There, that's better. And so that's it. It's enough of that. I'll get back to work.